Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today I'm going to share with you what my wash day routine is. I know many of you have asked me about it. If you watch any of my videos, you'll see the order that I use products in. But today I'm just going to share with you very quickly what my wash day routine looks like. My wash day routine starts off with a day. I always choose a day that I'm going to wash my hair and I stick to that day. It gives my week structure and it also lets me know that it's time for me to wash my hair. I never go 2 to 3 weeks without cleansing my hair because I have a day designated within the week to wash my hair, and I start off with cleansing my hair. My hair is always washed with a sulfate-free shampoo. I avoid silicones, parabens, and sometimes I also co-wash my hair as well. After cleansing my hair, which is the first process, I then move on to deep conditioning. If you're following my channel, you know I swear by deep conditioning. For me, it's the most important step in my wash day routine and it's something that I swear by. It has changed my hair for the better. I like deep conditioners that are thick and creamy. When I deep condition, I always apply it in sections and I leave it on for a minimum of 30 minutes, but I really do push it to an hour. On most wash days, I leave the deep conditioner on for an hour. I know it's very debatable. Many say if, the product says leave it on for 20 minutes, it's not going to work. If you leave it on longer than the prescribed time on the particular product. But for me, I generally leave it on for an hour while I'm doing other stuff around the house. After deep conditioning, I start my styling routine and it always starts off with the leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioners have also changed the hair game for me and have helped me on my journey. They help to keep my hair moisturized right throughout the week. With my type of hair, my hair only needs to be washed once a week. I don't wash my hair 2 or 3 times during the week. Once a week for my type of hair, or else my hair gets very, very dry. I always apply my leave-in conditioner in sections. I apply it from root to tip. I rake it through my hair. I make sure every single curl is coated. I absolutely love a good, creamy leave-in conditioner. Once I've applied the leave-in conditioner, my hair generally has a little bit more length. For me personally, I don't have a problem with products that weigh my hair down, simply because this hair can get volume for days. As the days go, during the week, my hair gets bigger and bigger. So after the leave-in conditioner, I go in with the styler. I'm a gel kind of girl. My hair likes gels. I like gels because gels give me more longevity. I don't have to refresh my hair as much. And I like a gel that can give me day 5 or day 7 hair. Likewise, I apply my styler in sections, smaller sections, so that every single curl is coated. When every single curl is coated, it avoids your hair from getting poofy. Sometimes if you just apply your products on top, what about all of this hair on the inside? That is why you work in sections, so that every single strand, every curl is coated. When it comes to styling creams, I do use them as well. Very few are my favorites. I generally apply creams in larger sections. I feel that the application is easier and I can still coat all of my curls in larger sections. Find out what works for you and your hair. When it comes to an oil, you can watch my videos. I do not end my videos using an oil. Lately in the natural hair community, people are avoiding oils. For me, an oil has never really been a thing. I will spritz my hair in the morning sometimes. Over the last year, I haven't been spritzing my hair with oil. I found that my hair just doesn't need it. After applying all of my products, I usually leave my hair to air dry. Diffusing isn't something I really like to do because it gives me a lot of shrinkage. My hair already shrinks a whole lot on its own, and diffusing makes it shrink even more. So generally I just leave my hair to air dry. And that's my weekly wash day routine, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out any of my videos. You'll see the application. You'll see the order of products once again. Drop your comments down below and let me know what your wash day routine is. And I'll see you again. Take care.